Here we boil two potatoes. Then we mash the potatoes. There we boil the chicken with salt, garlic paste, and ginger paste. Now we cut it into pieces. Now we mix mashed potatoes and chicken together. Now we add some green chilies, some mint leaf, some coriander leaf, some black pepper powder, added some chili flakes, red huni kabab masala, roasted onion, salt, now mixed it well. One egg. And mixed it. We add some more kabab masala. There's the packet of kabab masala. We add ghee for rich flavor and good texture. Now take the kebab batter and we'll give it round shape. To take 2 eggs in another bowl. Added pinch of salt. Now mixed it. Added 2 spoons corn flour. With water. Mixed it properly. Now heat the oil in a frying pan. Here we take some breadcrumbs for coated the kebab. 1 take the kebab, 2 mixed in the egg batter, 3 rolled on breadcrumbs. give it to the fry pan. Now continuously do this processing for every single kebab. We have to fry all the kebab in medium-low heat. Fry it until the color changes into brown-red. Now take it in a plate. Wow, how crunchy and delicious this is. Looking so delightful. Now enjoy it with chutney and ketchup. Thanks for watching.